Hey guys, Mick from Mick's Aussie Garden. Just a quick update on the veggie gardens. Let me spin you around. Okay, for those who remember or who watched the last video, you remember I got some dirt. It was quite a nice dirt. It's a 2-to-1 compost, 2 parts compost, 1 part sand, and I've been able to fill up most of my raised veggie gardens. Now, I had a mate come around and he gave me about 8 buckets of what he said was old fertiliser. He thought was old fertiliser. Now, he keeps chickens, and I had a bit of a smell of this stuff and a look at it. And actually, to me, it smelled more like old chook poop. So I put it on top of the garden beds and then planted directly into it. And I planted Brussels sprouts, and you can see the seedlings are looking very ordinary. Well, the seedlings are looking dead. Now, I think what happened is, he did say to me that he thought it was superphosphate, but to me it looked like chook poop. Looked and smelled like chook poop. Well, I'm thinking now that no, he was right, it was superphosphate, and I put an inch of this stuff on top of my garden beds and then tried growing seedlings direct into it. So you can understand, you know, the seedlings had just turned their toes up. So what I've had to do is, you can see I've done half the bed here, is take an inch or two of the dirt off the top. Thankfully I didn't dig it in, I just put it over the top. But take an inch or two of the dirt off the top, and I'm going to have to re-top these up again with some more soil. The only things that haven't died so far, I planted some marigolds on the ends, a bit of colour, and they're a good companion plant, so, but they haven't died yet. So I've spent, well, a couple of hours going through, don't mind the cats, going through and digging the top off all these garden beds. I didn't waste it, what I dug off. I put it in a couple of beds that were only half full, so it's well down. It's probably 12 or 15 inches down off the top. So eventually something growing down there will get a nice feed, but just goes to show that, you know, even us old guys that think, you know, we've got a bit of an idea what's going on, can make mistakes like that. So we're going to try again. I did have a win though. I got all this dirt, and I had some mates staying with me, and they helped me move the dirt, which is really good. And they've disappeared. They've gone away. They've been away for a week, but they're coming back Wednesday because I just got 2 more cubic metres of dirt. So they're coming back to help me move the dirt again. Quick question for those guys in Australia, particularly in South Australia. Is this not the worst year for flies? The flies have been absolutely atrocious this year. Oh, they're driving me mad, so I've got a couple of fly nets coming just to try and retain some sanity. Anyway, that's where I'm at the moment, just to show you that, you know, we can make mistakes, and I'm happy to own up to them. You know, if it stops somebody else making the same mistake, well, all well and good. So, until next time, like, subscribe, and comment. Love to see the comments. Tell me what an idiot I was putting all this stuff down, and we'll see you next time.